bread roll, first I have to make the dough. That is, I take flour, the flour is there. Then there is butter or margarine, salt and sugar, yeast. Yeast is very important. Dry yeast, instant yeast, and this is milk. And I have prepared steamed sambar, and I can make omelette. Then for pizza I have made another curry like. Make it. I think I have told you. Sugar. This sugar has to be dissolved in the milk. Right? Now I have kept garlic and margarine. That is to prepare garlic bread. This is sambar for sweet sambar, like that. Different things. It's variations. Now I have put sugar here. For the dough, when I'm mixing, I have to mix the sugar in here and make the dough. Now I'm going to make the bread roll dough. This is flour and little salt. You have to put the dry ingredients first, right? This is instant yeast. 2 teaspoons yeast for the 500 grams. 1. Keep 2 teaspoons. Now I have to add mix the dry ingredients like that. Now I have to add the margarine. Now you have to add the milk, dissolved little in the with the sugar, and that has to be added into this. And it's like when you prepare roti, like that. The amount of milk depends on the flour. Sometimes you need more water for the flour, sometimes you don't need so much. So you have to see. And it has to be, this bowl has to be really clean when you do it. If you run short of milk, you can always put a little water. This is the mixed dough. It has to be clean, when you do that. And then you punch it like that, and then leave it for it to rise for about 45 minutes. This I made it earlier and kept it. Now it has risen nicely. You can see. Can you see? So now you can start making the rolls. The oven has to be ready and put it on, say about 20 minutes early. So it has to be really hot when you put this in, right? Otherwise you don't get, it won't come out nicely. Now I have to make the steamed sambar. Like that. This. You can have it any shape you like. You can make it a square, you can make it oval shape or whatever. must not put them more also because then it comes out. And this seal sambal or whatever you are using, they have to be very dry, otherwise it oozes out from the roll. This is how we make the garlic bread. Now this is ground garlic, and you can have a little margarine or make it a different shape because otherwise you won't know. No? Now I'm going to make a plain roll where you can slit it and do whatever you like, slice it and keep a piece of omelette and salad leaves and tomato, like when you have McDonald's. It has to be very big. And then I'll make another long one where you have to slit it and you can put in a sausage. A long one, very long one. It's again an empty one, right? Now remember, otherwise. This other one, I can show another one with sausages. Now you emboss this sausage in there, and you have to make sure where you keep these things, otherwise you mix up, right? This is the sausage, this is the empty one, this is also empty one. This is with the sausage, then there is another one I'll make with the sausage. Now you have to apply egg, that is to get the glaze, that shiny effect, you just apply right there. Now remember, this is with the thin sambal. Now the oven is ready, and now I have applied the egg. And now it's ready to go to the oven. These are different ones that I have told you earlier. So we'll open the... It takes about 15 minutes. Now I have done of this thing. Now this is an empty roll that I made, and I have inserted the omelette, a piece of tomato and salad leaves, like you can have cheese and anything like at McDonald's. Then this is with the sausage. I split it and I put the sausage in. This is a garlic bread that I have put garlic, and I showed you. This is chilli sambar and egg decoration, and this is with sausage. You cut it and then have it open like that. You can have it, keep some tomato sauce, dip it and eat it. It's a short eat like all.